Using a U.S. bank ATM is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, locate a U.S. bank ATM near you, either by using the U.S. Bank website or by looking for the U.S. Bank logo on the machine. Once you have found an ATM, insert your U.S. Bank debit or ATM card into the card reader and enter your personal identification number or PIN. This is a security measure to ensure that only you can access your account. After you have entered your PIN, you will be presented with a menu of options, including withdrawing cash, checking your balance, and transferring funds. Select the option you wish to perform by using the touch screen or keypad. If you are withdrawing cash, choose the account you want to withdraw from and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. The ATM will then dispense the cash and provide you with a receipt. To check your balance, simply select the Balance Inquiry option and the ATM will display your current balance. You can also use the ATM to transfer funds between accounts or to pay bills. When you have completed your transaction, be sure to take your card and receipt and confirm that the ATM has returned to the idle screen. This ensures that your account information is secure and that the next user cannot access your account. For security purposes, always cover the keypad when entering your PIN and never leave your card or receipt at the ATM. It is also a good idea to regularly review your account statements to ensure that all transactions are legitimate. By following these simple steps, you can easily and securely use a U.S. bank ATM to manage your finances and access your money whenever you need it. Remember to always keep your card and PIN secure and to monitor your account activity regularly to prevent unauthorized transactions.